Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha kajengyalang patay kubor kabakarpang halor ka Operation Sindur. U Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri ulakran syai baka perthai ka ithu ya ka Pakistan kum ka jaka pedeng jong ki leno. Da ka bakentup ya shibun ki nuksa baladan ki sabut ki bashisha. Omtang ha India Henry Haki Sorkar ki bor basanchar bat ki agency ki banakaleng ka perthai. Habayakran ha katega jengyalang Misri uloong bakidan bun ki jingja thombor hakaling ka perthai ha kabala lapshai baki dien kti jong ka Pakistan ka don haki. Uloong ba Donkam ban Pynkynmaw Haei lalap yaw Osama bin Laden bat Mano balakam ba uday unong sya penyap. U Foreign Secretary ulapen pauru baka Pakistan kadang long ka jakasa jong shibun ki leno ki balasya mana da ka United Nations bat na kiwe ki sorkar ru.
Partially repeat myself from yesterday. I think Pakistan's reputation as the epicenter of global terrorism is rooted in a number of instances where concrete evidence is available, not just to India, but to governments and authorities and agencies around the world. There are several terrorist attacks around the world where Pakistani fingerprints have been found. I don't need to belabor the point with regard to this audience about where Osama bin Laden was found and who called him a martyr. Pakistan has also for decades pursued cross-border terrorism into India with impunity, and as I said yesterday also, in order to deliberately mislead the international community, they claimed that the terrorist Sajid Mir was dead. They came under pressure, and Sajid Mir was then brought back to life, arrested, and is now apparently in Pakistani custody. Pakistan is also home to a very large number of UN proscribed as well as UN proscribed terrorists, as well as terrorists proscribed by a number of other governments in the world, including, of course, the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Jaish-e-Mohammed, as well as their leaders, Masood Azhar and Hafiz Muhammad Saeed.